Do you know, Will, what the most dangerous alcohol drink is? The worst alcoholic drink for your body? You're in the hot seat. Let me put you back in the hot seat real quick.
Okay.
Because you've been doing so well so far. I feel like this is it. This is redemption. You're gonna surprise everyone right now and nail this.
Yeah.
What is the worst alcoholic drink for your body?
I heard it's absinthe, but I know that it can be topped if it's created with something else. I guess it's moonshine. Is it moonshine?
Wow. You're going heavy with it.
Isn't it?
Well, this website, eatthis.com.
Am I right? I don't know.
This website is a little bit more, PG. It's a little more targeting the general public than the absinthe drinkers or the,
Okay.
the moonshine drinkers of the world. It's talking more about like popular drinks.
Okay. That you would get at a bar.
Yeah,
You
something
can get absinthe at a bar.
you could, but I just mean like more well-known drinks, and it takes into consideration not just alcohol content, but caloric content as well.
Oh.
Because some of these drinks can have a ton of sugar and stuff like this, and just generally be bad for you.
Oh, okay.
So at the top of the list, they have pina colada.
Oh.
Have you ever had a pina colada before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great.
They're delicious,
They're
yeah.
delicious.
And they're delicious because they have 650 calories.
Oh, okay. That's why.
650 calories. Of course, they use the reference point in here of a Big Mac, which is 576. A Big Mac is 576. A pina colada is 650. Now, I remember young Lou traveling to, Mexico or whatever it would be, and just sitting at the poolside bar drinking those things.
Yeah.
Multiples.
Multiple. Yeah.
And you look at the caloric intake and you're like, holy moly. Plus, you got the alcohol on top of it. So they're just saying that mixed drinks are the ones to be a little careful with, because you may not, first of all, you may not recognize the caloric content if you have a bunch of them. And second of all, it really hides the alcohol content as well.
Yeah.
And so if you take a shot of vodka or a shot of rum or something on its own, you know what you just had.
Yeah.
But when you hide it with the pina colada and whatever else, well, that's rum, then you could actually be consuming a lot more alcohol too. So that's all they were really going for here. But it's not really a surprise. Some other items that they add to the dangerous list: margaritas and Long Island iced teas. Basically the delicious
Very
type of drinks that have a lot of syrup or
Yeah.
soda, and it's that combination, Will, of tons of sugar and tons of alcohol.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or it's absinthe.
Yeah. It's just. Or what about those clamato drinks where they have like cheeseburgers? They have like chicken wings and hot dogs on top of the drink.
Yeah, those crazy what are they? They're Bloody Marys.
Bloody Marys.
Yeah.
Or Caesars.
A Caesar's a Canadian thing.
Are they?
Yeah, that's a
Okay.
Canadian twist on a Bloody Mary.
Well, that's very unhealthy if they have a chicken.
Well,
wing
yeah,
and-
but the way it's normally meant to be consumed is just with tomato juice and vodka.
Yeah.
So there's nothing wrong with that. Well, I'm not saying there's nothing wrong, but you understand, like, from a caloric perspective, the tomato juice is going to beat out whatever the pina colada has going on. But yes, that is a different story.
I mean, come on.
Will's showing a picture of right now of a Bloody Mary with some cheeseburgers on it and a chicken wing pizza. And I don't know, why is that a thing? Who wants that to happen?
It's a full meal.
But why? Why not just have it on a plate next to it? It's kind of strange that takes off as a popular thing.
Donut.
No, that's a bagel, isn't it?
Was it a bagel?
I think so, yeah. I think that's a breakfast one. Because a lot of people like to have the Bloody Mary at breakfast as like a hangover
Oh,
thing
right. Yep.
to keep it rolling. So I think, yeah. What is that? A whole chicken in there? It looks like a whole chicken. Yeah.
That's too funny.